Friends, I'll be showing you today how to wear multiple hairs in Roblox. So guys, to do that just need to go to roblox.com on your browser, and it will take you to the home page. But before that you have to log in. If you log in, it will take you to this home page, and now you have to click on this menu button and click on Avatar. And to select multiple hairs, guys, you just need to uh, go to this head and body and go to hairs. Now if you trying to select multiple hair, it will unselect automatically the previous one. So how can you select multiple hairs? So guys, there is a trick you can try out. You just need to open a new tab and search for BT Roblox. So this is an extension you can try out. Open it and just install from here. I have already installed. I just need to enable it. So to enable, just click on these three dots and go to extension, go to manage extension. Just enable it from here if you didn't enable yet. So now you just need to go back to this Roblox web page, and now you just need to refresh your website. And since I have already selected multiple face accessories, or I had to need to go to and unselect all these accessories, so the effect will look much better if I wear multiple hairs. So let me go back to the hair again and select now multiple hair. Now you can see that it allow me to select multiple hair, as many as I want. So I can select as many as I want. So that's how you can do it. Hope you like it, and this is an amazing trick. Let me know in comment section if you like it. Till then, bye bye. And you can see that my avatar has now multiple hairs. Thanks for watching. Bye.